This section will talk about some of the elements within Blackboard and some of the sections and links within the course view. When you enter the Blackboard course page, you will see a number of links. The home page is where the announcements are located. Syllabus and schedule will be where the syllabus and the course calendar will be located. Weekly modules will house all of the materials for each module, and that will be through weekly, some of the resources, in-class activities, as well as out-of-class activities that students will be responsible for, and soft chalk lessons. Content-specific activities will contain all of the content-specific modules specific to each particular content area. The Dropbox will have all of the assignments for the course, along with assignment descriptions and rubrics. Discussions will be any discussions that will be posted online for any of the online courses or for accessory reading discussions. Textbooks will house all of the textbooks as well as links to relevant sources. Tools will be tools for the course and some of the sort of resources that students may need, along with a help section. Again, when we look at the course, we'll see the home page, syllabus and schedule. So when we click on this link, we'll be able to see that students have access to the course calendar located at the bottom. In the content-specific activities section will be specific folders for each of the various content areas. Again, Dropbox will be an area where all the specific assignments will be located. Textbooks will be all the relevant textbooks, and the home page will include important announcements for the course.